2 years ago, this is how this little garden corner looks like. I received this rain lily from a lady when I was doing a survey in Pita, Sabah. One weekend, while we were walking around our hill forest garden, we saw a part of TINDOT wood tree that was cut horizontally, part of the wood that we can salvage. And I got an idea to make it as our pot stand. The wooden chips from this project, we use it when we want to do barbecue. First layer of varnishing process. For the pot stand, leg stand, we recycle the cut from our roof frame construction for our wooden hut, which is a hardwood called bonsai wood. Second layer of varnishing. The young cats like to use this plant pot stand to dry themselves after bath. Slow progress trying to rearrange the pot on the plant pot stand. Kat tepi ni.
Tepi ni.
Bawa ke atas ni. Hah? Mi? ni?
After a dry period, when the rain starts to be many again, the rain lily starts to flower. Then came October. October also has a lot of rain, so it also trigger water spinach to flower, and there's also a telltale sign of rain lily starting to produce flower buds. Now this is how this little garden corner looks like after we rearrange the plant pots on top of the plant stands that were made by Abiana father. So far, each time of this type rain lily flower blooms, it only blooms 2 flowers.